Hey, it's Jimmy Lee Lard, the sock snob, doing a little urban farming, some sharecropping in the city again. And I just wanted to show you my, I have a large container here, and this is all squash. So, as you can see, this is my crooked neck squash. I have two varieties growing in here, the crooked neck there, and then over here is the green zucchini squash. All right, and as you can see, there's lots of blossoms and so on. But let me show you, I wanted to share with you how you get a container to do so well. First of all, you need a large container. So as you can see, this is a large 5-gallon container for starters. And then also, you want to make sure that you control pests. I have zero issues with pests, so it works out well. But to control squirrels, you can see the brown stuff in here. That is cinnamon. They don't like the smell of cinnamon. And they are pretty much the only pest I have to contend with when it comes down to squash. Another thing that I do, you might notice that there are no leaves that are really overlapping. That's because I've just come through and I have pretty much pruned this out. So it does two things. It gives access for pollinators like bees and butterflies to come in here and get to these squash blossoms so that they can fertilize the plants, right? So that otherwise we would not have these beautiful fruit coming in. The other thing it does is it gives more energy to the fruit. So by removing some of the leaves, there's enough leaves over here, right? And over here to give energy to the plant for photosynthesis. But then we just want to make sure that there is enough no overlapping so that air can get through here. You don't have any, you'll notice there's no mold problems or mildew or anything. So this is a good looking squash plant container. All right, that's all I have for you for right now. The rest of the garden is doing well, but we've had plenty of rain, so I haven't really been able to get out here and weed it or even mow the lawn for that matter. So all right, this is Jimmy Lee Lard, the sock snob, out here sharecropping in the city.